Hi, I'm Fran Berger, and look what I found at Gearys this week. I love scents in my home, especially ones that change with the seasons. These beautiful scents from Dr. Vragnes from Firenze, Italy, are some of my favorites. They have 3 different ones here at Gearys. They come with these beautiful diffuser reeds in these gorgeous jars, make your home smell beautiful. And if you like, and I'm a personal lover of candles, these gorgeous ones from Baobab, so many scents, all different styles of the glass. And when these candles burn completely down, you still have these gorgeous glass containers that you can use so many different ways for decor for your home. Flowers, all kinds of things. They'll look beautiful on a shelf even after the candle's gone. Come to Gearys, find some fun stuff.